Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only followers that you follow back can mention you in their videos and their stories and comments on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and now click privacy. Now click mentions and tags. Now click mentions, and here you will find followers that you follow back. Click on it, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.